Hello students, today let's do a very interesting art activity. It's paper folding, carrot and bunny art. So let's start. We have this rectangular paper, A4 size paper. First of all, we need to fold this inside. We just need to overlap both the parts exactly on top of each other. We need to fold it in half like this. Once we see both the corners are overlapping perfectly, we can press it. So like this, we have this two equal parts of our A4 size paper. Next, we just need to mark some around 5 cm here. Using a scale, we can do that. Using a ruler, I'm just marking 5 centimeters. And then we just need to fold it upwards. So using the scale, I'll just get a mark, a straight line mark here, and then we can easily fold it. Let's just make sure it's perfect. So now we have just done 2 steps till now. First of all, this was our A4 size paper. We made a line just exactly in the middle of the sheet and then we folded it like this. Second step, we have taken 5 centimeters here and the top part we have folded back side like this. Now in this folded part, we are going to do our drawing. So first of all, let's keep our pencils very sharp. Now let's start the drawing. First we will just draw a big carrot here. If we see the shape of carrot is broader at top and it's little pointy at the bottom. So this is the carrot and this is the top part of the carrot. So this is the carrot. Now this is the inside part. So here also we will draw one line and here also, like we'll just trace it using this part of the paper. We need to trace it. Let's trace this using a black marker now. Then we will proceed with the activity. So this is our carrot. Now we will do some drawing inside. As I already said, it's going to be a bunny and carrot drawing. So we will just draw a bunny inside here. A circular face. And as we know, the ears of bunnies are like this. 2 circles for the eyes, 2 circles inside, and 1 shiny part, a triangular nose and a smiley, big smiley. So this is the bunny. Let's trace this using a sharp pointed tip marker. Leaving this small circle and this part, we can just fill colors inside the eyes. Here also we'll do the same. So you can see this is our paper folding art. So this is just for fun. We can just play with this. Now students, let's color it. As we know, the color of carrot is orange. So let's start coloring. First of all, we will do outline in this space given. This is like a border. Now we will start coloring inside. Let's fill it nicely. Let's make sure we are not leaving any white space. And we are coloring uniformly everywhere in same directional strokes. I'm using crayons here. You can use crayons or any other color also if you wish. Now let's color the bottom part. The top part will be green. So the carrot is ready. Now, just in the ears, we will add some pink in this portion. Also inside the mouth a little. So children, we can see our paper folding activity is ready. We have this carrot, and then when we open, we have a bunny peeping out. I hope you have enjoyed doing this activity with me. Stay looped in for more such videos. Thank you.